Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on installing VMware Fusion on your MacBook. Whether you are a developer, IT professional, or just looking to run virtual machines on your Mac, this guide will walk you through this complete installation process step by step. By the end of this video, you will have VMware Fusion up and running, ready to create and manage virtual machines with ease. So let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and then type download VMware Fusion Pro for Mac. Then click on this link. I will also include this link in the description below. Once the page loads, scroll down and click on VMware Fusion Pro download. Next, you will be promoted to either sign in or register for VMware account here, Broadcom. And after logging in, just select VMware Fusion Pro for personal use, and then you can choose other options as well if needed, but for now let's go with the latest version. And then click on the download button here. As I already downloaded this VMware Fusion, so let me cancel and just go to your downloads, and here, once the download is complete, open up download folder and click on this DMG file. The new interface will pop up and double click on this. Then you may be asked to enter your MacBook password. Just type in let me re-enter, and then go ahead and do that, and then wait for a few seconds while the installation completes. That's it, guys. So as you can see, VMware Fusion is now installed on my machine, and then I can directly go up here and see virtual machine library here. What I have to do, just click on this new option and then follow up with the installation method, whether I have ISO file or any virtual machine. Okay, so that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you.